In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Calendar on Monday.com. This is a quick and straightforward process that will help you keep your projects and schedules perfectly synced. So let's dive into the steps and get your integration set up. First, open up your web browser and go to Monday.com. This is where we'll begin our integration journey. Once you're on the website, you need to log in. On the homepage, look for the login button and click on it. If you typically sign in using Google, go ahead and click the Google option to choose your Google account. This step ensures that all your settings are accurately loaded from your Google account. Now that you're logged in, navigate to your board where you wish to integrate Google Calendar. This might be a project board or a personal tracking board, whatever suits your needs. Once you're at your board, locate the Integrate button on the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will open up a variety of integration options available with Monday.com. Among these options, you'll see Google Calendar. Click on it to proceed. Now you're nearly halfway through the process. With Google Calendar selected, it's time to choose the type of connection you want. Monday.com provides flexibility in how you can link your calendar, whether it's a one-way or a two-way sync. This decision is entirely up to you based on your preference and workflow needs. After choosing your connection type, the next step is to click on Use Template. This action will guide you through setting up the template tailored to your needs. Following this, you'll be required to choose your Google account. If your account isn't listed, no worries. Just click on Connect your Google account and log in with your credentials. This step ensures your calendar is accurately linked to your board. Now it's time for setup. You'll want to set up your automation. Automation is what will keep your calendar and Monday.com board in sync, automatically updating in real time without the need for manual updates. This can help you save a lot of time and hassle. Finally, after you've set up everything, click on Create Automation. This completes the process, and your Google Calendar should now be perfectly integrated with Monday.com. Now you can enjoy a seamless workflow with all your events and deadlines synchronized. And there you have it. We've just walked through how to integrate your Google Calendar with Monday.com effortlessly. This integration will undoubtedly enhance your productivity and help you stay organized. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.